Thank you, Madam Speaker, for the opportunity to make a request for a statement regarding recurrent fire incidents in schools within my constituency, West Mugrango. Madam Speaker, pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order number 44 2C, I wish to request for a statement from the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Education regarding the recurrent fire incidents in schools within my constituency, West Mugrango. Madam Speaker, in the recent past, the country has witnessed a disturbing trend of fire outbreaks in learning institutions, resulting in loss of lives, destruction of property, and disruption of learning. Within West Mugrango constituency, where I am privileged to be MP, several schools have recently experienced fire incidents, raising concerns on disaster preparedness in schools. For instance, on 20th June, Madam Speaker, 20th June 2026, a fire broke out at Kibirigo Boys High School, which is a national school, destroying part of the boarding facilities. Although no fatalities were registered, the incident led to the closure of the school, thereby disrupting learning. Similarly, on 8 June 2026, a fire broke out at Kura Senior School in Bosamaru Ward. Further, Madam Speaker, on 3rd June 2026, a fire razed down a dormitory at Masosa Mixed Secondary School in Nyamira Ward, destroying property and the school infrastructure. These unfortunate incidents have exposed learners to danger, disrupting academic programs, and occasioned substantial loss of public resources. They have also raised concern regarding compliance with safety standards and disaster preparedness measures in our learning institutions. Madam Speaker, it is against this background that I request for a statement from the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Education on the following. 1, a report on the circumstances surrounding the fire incidents at Kibirigo High School, Kura Senior School, and Masosa Mixed Secondary School, including the findings of any investigations thereon. Number 2, measures taken by the Ministry of Education to facilitate restoration of learning and repairs to the damaged infrastructure in the affected schools. Number 3, the steps being taken to ensure all schools comply with prescribed safety standards, particularly in dormitories and other boarding facilities, including proof of insurance against fire and other disasters. And finally, Madam Speaker, the long-term measures in place to strengthen disaster preparedness, fire prevention, and emergency response mechanisms, and prevent recurrent of fire incidents in schools across the country. I thank you, Madam Speaker, and do plead that the Ministry of Education rises to the occasion and restores the infrastructure that the students have lost.